Cross-promotion happens in different ways in real life, from flyers and windows to hanging things on coffee shop cork boards, and of course personal referrals. What I'm going to show you here is how Locable enables you to tap into the power of your local connections online with our free and low-cost tools. Best of all, they're automated. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Well, you may be saying we already have a calendar or a job board or whatever. There's something we call not another calendar syndrome, not another job board syndrome. And that is when somebody is posting their stuff, there's just too many places to post it. And so they run out of gas and they don't go to your website and they don't post it, and your resource isn't a resource. Local information is hard to find. So if you're a local or a visitor, that's bad. It's repetitive to promote. So if you're trying to get the word out, it's bad. And expensive to manage if you're trying to create a resource for the community. That's bad. So yeah, it's bad for everyone. What we've done is created something we call Local Connections. This is a shared community database technology. It is the solution. It's good for formal relationships like merchant associations and chambers where there's membership. And it's great for informal relationships like business owners who are friends, business owners who engage with nonprofits and support the community. And so it's great for all aspects of real life connections. So imagine for a moment, if you will, you're selling your house and realtors had to list it individually on every other local realtor's website. It would be a disaster. And of course, there's the MLS. So let me give you a quick example of how this works. Batavia Main Street wants to promote the other local civic organizations as well as some other organizations in their community. They want to have a community calendar. As you can see, there's a handful of accounts in our software platform. And if you look into the chamber, you'll see that they have this event, their awards. And that award is showing up in the Main Street's calendar on the second item. The chamber's event automatically shows up in the Main Street calendar because Main Street is following the chamber. And I'll note that we support events, classes, and deadlines. You can show these on one calendar or create multiple calendars that all draw from the same database but show off different sorts of information. It's up to you. But it's not just a calendar. We provide you a set of tools, a calendar, a self-updating directory, a self-updating offers board, a self-updating jobs board, and volunteer board, and we're always adding more. So in the directory, you can see a handful of local organizations that are being promoted, and when you click on the library, all their information is there. The key here is we make it easy to distribute and discover information so that more people are more involved, and that builds a stronger community. So yeah, it's a tricky problem that requires a bunch of different technology working together. There are some great implications for the community. Every business, every nonprofit gets free tools to enhance their own website, to promote their events, their openings, their offers, and yes, businesses can promote their community, their Main Street, their chamber, their museums, just like those organizations can promote their supporters. Don't settle for doing fine. Activate your community. We want to help tap into the power of your local connections.